Hello everyone. So first here we've taken a tomato and then we are inserting this thread in between by this technique, and then you can see by following this simple technique you get this type of design on your tomato. Let's move ahead here to repair this ripped jeans. We are gonna insert some toothpick in between, and by the help of the thread we are inserting it and making a cute design on it so that it is also hidden and your jeans will look more stylish. And after that we are inserting a bead in between and your flower is ready. Next, we are cutting this socks in 3 parts, and we've taken the middle part and inserting this thread like this. Just follow the steps what we are doing here. Just seal it from one side and then on the other side we are gonna fill some cotton and seal it again in this type of shape, and then you can see your ball is ready. And then with the help of thread only we gonna make it into a flower. As you can see, we have taken this bunny design and then we are again doing the same with it and making this into a cute little flower, and then we are attaching a rubber band with it. Next, to complete this DIY hack to join your sweater with your denim, just join it with this red thread. As you can see, by following this simple step you can do this and it looks even more stylish.